I'm just one man, but Checkmate is all of us. Join us, and you never have to fear again.
You have been hailed as a savior by many Angelinos thanks to Checkmate's work. Is this how you see yourself?
I do not, Callie.
And why is that?
I don't believe anyone needs to be saved.
That's a bold statement.
It's the truth.
You're out of a job, and soon enough we'll be out of a place to live.
I have a plan. You're not gonna like it.
Checkmate can't be trusted.
At least I'm willing to do whatever it takes.
What the hell does that mean?
You have this gift. Right, but you bury it so deep that you're just this empty
You
shell
have
now.
no idea what you're talking about, Nash!
Maybe I don't. But in the meantime, Checkmate's the only answer to our problems.
I appreciate you.
I'd appreciate it if you stick to the script, darling. You just need to sit here and look pretty, not try and be a real journalist. It's a dying breed anyway.
I know you're in here. Open up. I want my money end of day or you're a dead man, Ward. You hear me?
Hi, you've reached Nash Holloway. I can't get to the phone right now. Leave your number and I'll call you back.
Checkmate provides people with the tools and security they deserve so that they don't need to be saved in the first place. Through housing for all, zero unemployment rate reform, you name it.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it, I never back up.
Join us.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas.